Every day we wake up is a gift. We just have to open our eyes and see the beauty in the world around us.
One morning I woke up, and I didn't recognize myself. I'm 57 years old. Not old, but I didn't feel alive. When I opened my eyes, my body felt heavy, as if I hadn't rested at all during the night. My heart wasn't racing, yet something felt weighed down inside. It wasn't ordinary tiredness. It was that quiet, heavy exhaustion that follows you all day. I used to take the stairs easily. Now my hand instinctively reached for the railing. I used to laugh with my grandchildren. Now even laughing felt like effort. I went to the doctor. My tests looked fine. But deep down, a small voice whispered, "Something's not right." One evening, sitting alone in my kitchen, I realized something simple. I had slowly forgotten myself. Drinking too little water. Eating too many processed foods. Moving too little. Stress too high. It didn't happen all at once. Just little habits repeated over time. That day I made a promise to myself. Not a dramatic one. Just a small change. The next morning I put on my running shoes. The air was crisp. I stepped outside and felt the world wake up with me. I didn't run fast. I didn't push myself. I just walked briskly, feeling each breath, feeling my heartbeat, noticing the sun creeping over the rooftops. After 20 minutes, I returned home, my legs awake and my mind lighter. I went straight to the kitchen to make myself a cup of herbal tea. I boiled water slowly, letting the steam rise, inhaling the aroma. I added a few dried herbs, watching them unfurl in the warm water, releasing their gentle, earthy scent. I held the cup in my hands, feeling the warmth seep into my fingers. I sipped slowly, letting the calm fill me from the inside out. I didn't feel a miracle. I just felt alive again. That day, I added small rituals to my life. Walking every morning, drinking more water, choosing simple, natural foods, and going to bed earlier. By the third week, I woke up before my alarm. My chest felt lighter. My mind was clear. My energy steady. I didn't become younger, but I came back. Back to myself. Sometimes the body doesn't need a miracle. It just needs attention. And the first step